guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a speed clean with me. There was some pans and dishes left from lunch, so I needed to get all of this picked up. I didn't get everything picked up before I had started dinner, which is in the crock pot there. So I'm just cleaning up these pots and a couple plates and cups to get the kitchen clean, so when I serve dinner, it's not too messy all over the place.
I miss the times when we could hang out and have fun without the troubles in my life. We can do better, promise it will get better. I miss the times when there was room for everyone. We were just playing in the sun. Where is the happiness now? We can turn back time.
So as usual, guys, I'm getting started here with the dishes. I went ahead and cleaned the plates and the cups, so I'm moving on to the pots now. These pots have actually been sitting for a couple days on the stove there, and I just haven't gotten to them to give them a deep wash. I had some of them soak in with water and soap in them because they were so dirty. So I'm getting started just cleaning those off, and thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos. And if you are new here, hi, I'm Arika. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3, and I make videos on cleaning, lifestyle, and sometimes I do family vlogs. So if you are interested in that type of content, make sure that you subscribe and comment below. moving on to sweeping the floor. And somebody tell me right now, why would I decide to sweep the kitchen floor and there's like Seth, Isaiah, and Bless in the kitchen walking back and forth, and I'm still trying to sweep what I can. It wasn't super messy, but there was some crumbs on the floor that I wanted to get up, so I really didn't care who was in there, but it actually ended up to be more difficult than I thought because all I kept saying every 2 seconds was, "Can you move?" or "Excuse me." So that is actually a very difficult task. Note to self, Erica, don't do that again. Sweep when there's nobody in there because the frustration is real. And here is the finished product, everyone. I got everything all wiped down and ready for when our dinner's done out of the crock pot. By the way, this is our crock pot meal tonight. It's sirloin steak, potatoes, and what is that called? It's carrots. So this is the finished kitchen. It's all nice and clean, just how I like it. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.